Joining me today is Richard from Cadspec. Richard, let's get straight into it. Who are Cadspec and what do you offer?
So Cadspec are one of the UK's leading providers of CAD CAM and advanced manufacturing solutions to manufacturing organisations in the UK.
And what products do you typically offer?
We partner with Autodesk. Autodesk are the third largest software developer in the world. So we've partnered with the right company to offer companies the right solutions.
And are we talking CAD, CAM, mixture of both?
A mixture of both. We do CAD and CAM, and the entire workflow from initial concept through to cutting metal at the end of the day. But we also offer solutions to architectural, engineering, and construction companies.
Okay, you're not the only reseller of Autodesk products. So what makes you different? What makes Cadspec different?
So Cadspec are part of a larger group, the Stanford Marsh group. So within the Stanford Marsh group, we have Cadspec, we have Tritech 3D, who are associated with additive manufacturing. We partner with Stratasys, who develop and manufacture 3D printers. We have a 3D print bureau, so we offer the ability to organisations that don't have the CapEx or whatever it is to actually purchase a 3D printer.
We can toe in the water before they actually buy one.
Exactly, yeah. And there's so many materials available now with regards to 3D print that they may be limited to the machine they've got. We've got a variety of machines that can print in any kind of material.
So taking all that into account, what is it you offer a manufacturing business as a whole?
So it's not just software. The software does what it says on the tin. However, the main value that we add to manufacturing organisations is the services that we provide, getting customers up to speed in using the software, but not just up to speed in using the software, becoming more profitable and more productive using the software that they've invested in.
Yeah, because talking to users of not just Autodesk products, software in general, almost getting the software is kind of the easy bit. It's the training, it's the ongoing support, almost the hand-holding. Certainly if it's your first CAD or your first CAM software, it's the hand-holding, the training, the programming.
Yeah, exactly that. So with regards to Cadspec, we've got 6 offices across the UK, all of which are authorised Autodesk training centres. So there'll never be too far to travel with regards to getting to us. And we cover a wide variety of training courses with regards to not just CAM, but the CAD side of things. Digital prototyping. We also offer training through our 3D Print Academy for customers to actually learn how to get the best out of their 3D printers.
Okay, again, coming back to that, that's kind of what makes you different, isn't it? That's how you win over the others. Yeah,
very much so. We're the only reseller in the UK that can really provide a solution that covers CAD, CAM and additive. So as well as the digital prototype, the subtractive side of cutting metal, but also then the additive side of it, which has been a game changer in the manufacturing world.
Autodesk, they continually evolve, and obviously Cadspec will have to follow with that. So what's coming next? What's the future hold?
CAM's a reasonably new development for Autodesk, and what I mean in that is that now ourselves as a partner for Autodesk can now offer a better service to the end user. And the software's ever evolving. You start getting into generative design, giving computing power the ability to help designers design and manufacture better products.
Yeah, an example here of obviously an Autodesk designed fixture.
Indeed, it's a reasonably simple, geometric part, and generative design goes into some weird and wonderful stuff, as you can see on the screen. But everything from simple geometry to complex parts, we can cover it all.
So just finally, people watching this, how do they get in touch with Cadspec if they want to learn more about Autodesk or ultimately yourselves?
You can go to our website, which is www.cadspec.co.uk. Our head office is in Worcester, but as I said, we're countrywide. Our telephone number is 01905 458 000.
Good memory. Thanks, Richard, and thank you for watching.